Hello, it's me again. I just picked up that little master lock number 3 at the hardware store. It's a number 130 little padlocks. Number 3 for the security rating of master lock. 3 out of 10. Just get just horrible beating, just pain. So it's one of the reasons why I just bought this lock. So I will use top of the keyway like this. I will just use something different from my other vids. It's just a deep hook, but this one is also way thinner than the other one, so it should help to get in the tiny keyway. I will just start by just light tension and just see if I can zip myself just slightly false set. I will just go and look for a bender. This lock have security pins. I think 2 spools and 2 standard. This is a tiny padlock, but not easy to pick. Here we go, open. But let me say to you that it's been way harder to pick than the number 3 from the number 1, sorry, in the last video. So please stay legal and